Hi, I am Sayad and you are watching Automotive Revolution. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. This video is about the evolution of Opel Astra from 1991 to present 2025. The Opel Astra is a compact car, small family car developed and produced by the German automaker Opel since 1991, currently at its sixth generation. It was first launched in September 1991 as a direct replacement to the Opel Kadett. Initially, the Astra was available in hatchback, saloon, and estate forms. A panel van and a convertible, Astra Cabrio, also appeared in the early 1990s. The Astra is branded the Vauxhall Astra in the United Kingdom. It was rebadged and sold as the Saturn Astra in North America between 2008 and 2009, as the Buick Excel XT from 2009 until 2015 and as the Buick Verano hatchback GS in China from 2015 until 2021. The Holden Astra was discontinued in Australia and New Zealand in 2009, and was replaced by the locally assembled Holden Cruise. The Astra F debuted in September 1991. It was offered as a 3- or 5-door hatchback, a saloon, and an estate known as the Caravan. The Caravan appeared in October 1991. A cabriolet was also offered, designed, and built by Bertone in Italy. ENGNE options include 1.4-litre, 1.6-litre, 1.8-litre, 2-litre, 2-litre turbo inline-4 petrol where 1.7-litre, 1.7-litre Isuzu inline-4 diesel engine were available. These were mated to 5, 6-speed manual and 4-speed automatic transmission. The Astra F received a facelift in August 1994, accompanied by improved rust protection. This included a new grille with a larger Opel badge, clear front turn signals, new door mirrors. The Astra G was launched in Europe in spring of 1998. It was available as a 3- or 5-door hatchback, 4-door saloon, 5-door estate and 2 special versions from 2000, the Astra Coupé and the Astra Cabrio. The Astra G saw the introduction of a natural gas-powered engine. Have a look at the variety of engine and transmission options for different model years. The Astra H was launched in March 2004 as a 5-door hatchback, while a 5-door estate launched late 2004 and a sporty 3-door hatchback, designated the GTC, Gran Turismo Compact, for European markets, Sport Hatch in the UK and the Coupé in Australia, launched in 2005. The Opel Astra was revised in January 2007, with the introduction of different colors of the posterior lighthouses and a new front. Have a look at various engine and transmission options provided for Astra H. The 4th generation Astra J debuted at the 2009 Frankfurt Motor Show in Germany. Referred to as the Astra I, it officially received the Astra J name instead to avoid confusing the letter I for the number 1. The Opel Astra came third in the European Car of the Year award in 2010. Have a look at various engine and transmission options provided for Astra J. In June 2012, a facelift was announced. Changes included revised bumpers and grilles and very minor changes to the headlights. The rear lights were also revised. A 3-door version dubbed Astra GTC was introduced in July 2011. In late 2013, the 1.6 turbo replaces the biturbo diesel as the fastest non-OPC model in the range. The OPC trim of the Astra GTC has been available since 2012. This car features a turbocharged 2.0-litre direct injection engine with a power of 276 horsepower. Opel launched the 5th generation Astra K at the Frankfurt Motor Show in September 2015 for the 2016 model year. The Astra K is smaller and lighter as compared to Astra J. A facelift of Opel Astra K released around the summer of 2019. Changes were minimal, both inside and outside. However, the facelifted Astra sports a new front grille, new rear lights. Various engine and transmission options were available for different model years. The 6th generation Astra was unveiled on 13 July 2021. Body styling were 5-door hatchback and 5-door station wagon. It offered 1.2-litre turbo petrol and 1.5-litre turbo inline-4 diesel engine. The vehicle has been offered as a hybrid for the first time as 1.6-litre and will unveil a 180 horsepower engine. All are mated to 6-speed manual or 8-speed automatic transmission. Thanks for watching Automotive Revolution. Please subscribe my channel.